my YouTube channel. Are you planning to travel to one of the Schengen countries like the Netherlands, Germany, Italy, Belgium? Then one of the most important requirements when you're applying for that visa is means of finance. And that's why I want to elaborate on this, because I noticed and have some complaints from my subscribers and also my friends that they were denied the visa because they did not have sufficient funds. So what exactly do they mean when they say sufficient funds? They want to know exactly, can you afford to take care of yourself by paying the tickets, paying the insurance, supporting yourself for the period you are going to be in that Schengen country? Let's say, for example, you are coming to visit me. You are my friend, and I'm going to offer the accommodation. Then you don't have to bother with the bookings of the hotel. Hi, being your friend, I'm going to send you an invitation letter stating that I'm going to house you in my house for the period you are going to stay in the Netherlands. So what is left for you is to look for the money to pay the ticket, the insurance, the visa, and the days you are going to stay here. So the question is, how much is enough? This depends on every country. I'm going to talk about the Netherlands because this is where I live and this is where I have the information. In the Netherlands, you're supposed to have not less than 55 euro to spend every day. So let's say you are coming to stay for like 14 days. 14 days, you multiply by 55 euro, you get, for example, let's say it's 2,000 euro. Then a return ticket, less 1,500 euro. So 2,000 plus 1,500, that is 3,500 euro. Visa application, it's around 100 euro. Insurance, it's around 100 euro. And plus other small things. So they want to make sure that you have at least 4,000 euro in your account. What documents do they want to see to prove that you have this kind of money? First, if you're employed, you are working, you have a job, one document you are supposed to have employment letter. That is very important. Go to your employer, tell him to get you an employment letter stating that you've been working in the company for this long and they have granted you like 2 weeks to go for your vacation leave days, approved and signed. Secondly, they want to see your payslip at least for 3 months. But I always tell my friends, you can even make it for 6 months. Sorry, for 6 months. If they ask for 3, you can make it even for 4 months or 6 months. So apart from the employment letter, there is the payslip for 3 months. And again, they want to see your bank statement at least for 3 months, but make it 6 months. Especially the bank slip and the bank statement, they are supposed to match. If your pay slip states that you earn 50,000 Kenyan shillings, and then when they go to your account, they find apart from the 50,000 shillings, there's another 100,000 shillings which came to your account. They will have a question, how did you get this money? And yet you are only employed and your pay slip states that you are paid 50,000 Kenyan shillings. In case you get some extra money from anywhere, probably you have sold your motorbike, you sold your car, please make sure that it accompanies a letter, transaction. Go, you print the transaction and you attach to your payslip and to your bank statement. And when you submit the other document, you make sure you also submit plus that, because they don't want to have a criminal, someone who is getting money which is not accounted for, and then to go to their country. They want to make sure this person who is going to their country is clean. So that is very important. Don't make a mistake of, I'm going to the Europe, but the money is not enough. So you go and borrow, and then you do a big deposit in your bank. No, 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 no. They are going to notice that, and chances of you being denied the visa because of that, it's very high. So let's say now, me as a sponsor, I'm only sponsoring you accommodation. I go to the municipality, I get the invitation letter, and I state well that I house you for like 2 weeks. And the reason why I'm doing that, I also have to state it there. And I have to also write the relationship between me and you. If you are my friend, I'm going to write that. In case of anything, you come, in case there is any problem, I being your sponsor, I'm responsible for that. So that one is very direct. Don't also make a mistake of submitting bank statements which are not current. Current means, I'm going to the embassy tomorrow. Today is on Thursday. My appointment is on Friday. Make sure that you print the documents out to date. 6 months from now, you go backwards. You print 6 months. But don't print bank statement for last year and then you go present them to the embassy. Definitely that's a no. So I hope this means of finance, you're going to follow my steps. And please don't forget to subscribe and stay tuned, because in my next video, I'm going to fill the application form here with you. I'm going to show you exactly from top till the last page. And it's so well such that you know how to do it when you are going to fill yours. So for now, subscribe down there, leave a comment, like, and stay tuned. Thank you.